One bad supplier can sink your store before you've sold a thing. Cheap products mean refunds, chargebacks, one-star reviews, and customers who never come back. The bad part, you can spot a bad Zendrop supplier before you ever place an order, if you know what to check. I built a vetting checklist that does exactly that. And there's one step almost every beginner skips. What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle from Ecom Mastery. By the end of this video, you will have a clear, repeatable checklist you can run on any Zendrop supplier before you commit. So you stop gambling on product quality and start making informed decisions. Here's what we're covering: why supplier vetting matters more than almost anything else in dropshipping, the step-by-step checklist itself, the best practices that take it further, the mistakes that sink most beginners, and a real example to tie it all together. Let's start with the part that most people underestimate: why your supplier quietly controls your entire reputation. First, let's talk about why this is so critical. In dropshipping, you never physically touch the products before they reach your customer. That means you're trusting your supplier with your entire reputation. Here's the problem: not all suppliers are equal. Some send cheap junk, take forever, and leave you cleaning up the mess. This is important because product quality quietly drives everything: refunds, chargebacks, reviews, repeat purchases, and your ad performances. A bad supplier creates a refund machine. Money goes out faster than it comes in, and your store bleeds out. A great supplier creates loyal customers, growing reviews, and a brand that scales. Vetting your supplier properly is making sure that you're building on solid ground and not quicksand. Before we get into the checklist, let's define it. Supplier vetting is the process of evaluating a supplier before committing, to make sure they can consistently deliver quality products on time. It's not just about price, it's about reliability, quality, communication, and shipping speed. Here's how it works. You can run every potential supplier through the same checklist. The ones that pass get your business, and the ones that fail get cut off before they hurt you. The beauty of Zendrop is that it gives you a lot of this data upfront. So vetting is faster and easier than doing it through the old way of digging through random AliExpress listings. Let's build a checklist now. If you don't already have a Zendrop account, check the link in the description below for the best current deals. Once you're in Zendrop, in the left column, go to Find Products. In the top row, you can then choose different suppliers, or you can have access to all suppliers. Once you find a product, look at the product and supplier review. So we can see that the order trend score is 67%, orders by country, and saturation. Behind the scenes, high ratings indicates that a supplier delivers. Low or inconsistent ratings are a red flag that you should ignore. A common beginner mistake is ignoring the reviews because they love the product. Don't let excitement override the data. This is a non-negotiable. Order a sample before you start selling it. You cannot judge quality from a photo. You need to hold it, test it, and experience exactly what your customers will. Ordering a sample also lets you test the shipping and packaging quality. You're experiencing the full customer journey firsthand. This is the single most powerful vetting step, and the one beginners skip most. Never sell something that you've never held in your hand. Check the supplier's estimate shipping and processing times, because slow shipping leads to refunds, chargebacks, and angry customers. A supplier with fast, consistent shipping protects your entire operation. Prioritize Zendrop suppliers with quick fulfillment and US options where possible. Look at whether the supplier delivers consistent quality across orders. One good sample isn't good enough if quality varies from order to order. Read multiple reviews looking for patterns. If some customers rave and others complain, that inconsistency is a warning sign. You want a supplier who delivers the same quality every single time. Reach out to the supplier or Zendrop support with a question and see how fast and helpful the response is. Because when problems happen, and they will, you need a supplier who responds quickly. Good communication means that issues get resolved quickly, which keeps your customers happy and your refunds low. Slow or unhelpful responses now mean major headaches later. Review pricing and margins. Check the product cost and make sure that it leaves healthy room for profit margins, because a great product that you can't profit from is useless. Here's the operator mindset. Factor in the cost, shipping, ad cost, and potential refunds. If the math doesn't leave solid margin, walk away no matter how good the product looks. But remember, don't just pick the cheapest option. The cheapest supplier often means the worst quality. Balance price with everything else on this checklist. Check packaging and branding options. Finally, check if the supplier supports custom packaging or branding. Branded packaging elevates the customer's experience and builds repeat customers. A supplier that offers branding options gives you room to grow into a real business instead of just a generic dropshipper. Now, let me share a few things that take your vetting to the next level. First, always order samples for your hero products. These are the products you'll spend most on ads for, so they have to be perfect. Second, build a simple scorecard. Rate each supplier on quality, shipping, communication, and price. Make decisions based on the total, not just one factor. Third, keep monitoring even after you choose. Supplier quality can change over time, so keep an eye out on your review and refund rates. Fourth, have a backup supplier ready. If your main one slips, you can switch without disrupting your store. Now let's cover the mistakes I see constantly. Mistake number 1, skipping the sample order. This is the biggest one. You're flying blind if you don't test the product yourself. Mistake number 2, choosing purely on price. Cheap usually means low quality, which equals refunds. Mistake number 3, ignoring shipping times. A great product that arrives in a month still gets disputed. Mistake number 4, not testing communication. You only find out that a supplier is unresponsive in the middle of a crisis. Mistake number 5, never rechecking. Suppliers change. A great supplier today might slip in 6 months. Keep checking. Let me make this real for you. Let's say you're launching a Shopify store selling LED desk lamps. The wrong way, you find the cheapest supplier. Love the product photos and start running ads immediately without testing anything. The result, the lamps arrive flimsy, start flickering, shipping takes 3 weeks, and you're drowning in refund requests and 1-star reviews. Now the right way, you check the supplier's ratings on Zendrop, you order a sample and confirm that the quality is solid. You verify that shipping is 7 to 9 days, you message support and get a helpful, quick response. And you confirm that your margins are healthy. Now you launch with confidence, knowing exactly what your customers will experience. Result, happy customers, great reviews, and products that you can scale without fear. Same niche, completely different outcome. The only difference was vetting. Here's the bigger lesson that I want you to take away. Vetting suppliers isn't just about avoiding bad products. It's about building a business on a foundation that you can trust. Your supplier is your silent partner in every single order. And if they fail, you fail. The brands that scale successfully aren't lucky. They're selective. They run every supplier through a process before risking their reputation. A few minutes vetting upfront saves you from weeks of refunds, chargebacks, and damage control later. So treat this checklist as a non-negotiable part of your process. Protect your store by choosing the right partners from day one. Quick recap. Your supplier controls your product quality and reputation. Always check ratings and order a sample before committing. Verify shipping times and product consistency. Test communication before you need it. Make sure that your margins are healthy, but never choose on price alone. And continue monitoring your supplier even after you've picked them. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Ecom Mastery. And if you want to start vetting your own suppliers, check the link in the description below for the best current deals. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content just like this. My name is Kyle from Ecom Mastery. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.